Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to turn off app lock on the WhatsApp app for PC after the latest update. Whether you're removing it for convenience or simply don't need it anymore, this quick guide will walk you through every step clearly and easily. First, open your WhatsApp application on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account before proceeding. Once the app is open, look over to the bottom left or top right corner of your screen, depending on your version, and click on the settings icon. This is where you can manage all your personal preferences and privacy options. Next, inside settings, find and click on privacy. This is where WhatsApp stores all security related features like last seen, online status, and app lock. Select the app lock option from the list to access its settings. Once you're in the app lock menu, you'll see a toggle or switch that indicates whether the lock is currently enabled. To disable it, simply click or slide that switch to the off position. WhatsApp will then ask you to confirm your decision. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your password, the same one you used to secure your WhatsApp app earlier. Type it carefully to confirm your identity. This extra step ensures only you can make changes to your security preferences. After entering your password, click on OK to finalize the process. The app will instantly turn off app lock, and you'll be able to access conversations or contacts directly without entering your password next time you open WhatsApp. That's it. You've successfully disabled app lock on your WhatsApp app for PC. If you ever want to turn it back on, just follow the same steps and toggle the app lock back to on. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.